behind me a 65 Mustang Fastback GT. V8 power, 4-speed, gorgeous car. Kind of has a little bit of a bullet aesthetic to it coming along as we take a closer look, get you familiar with all around it, and go for a drive. And this is newly available here at Lafontaine Classics. If you're new, stick around to the end. We have good information for you. These are pretty cars. They look extra good with them fog lamps in here. Restored in 2015. Paint looks slick, bright work looks good. I mean, finish on the chrome. This looks like a mirror right here. Hood release on these cars just under the pony. Oh yeah, still have the VIN stamping on the fender apron. That is a good thing. Gorgeous 289. Like the chrome valve covers, that chrome air cleaner, aluminum water pump, dual master cylinder. It's a groovy little car. Underside of the hood looks great as well. Seal this up here. Great gaps. Nice disc brakes beyond those 17-inch wheels. And we're riding on a 225/45. Once more, those are 17s. Got our GT badging and our GT stripe looking proud. Nice remote mirror up there. Glass looks good. Love these louvered sail panels these cars got. Trumpet tips. Twist off gas cap. Really sharp. We'll show you the trunk. I believe we got a spare back here. Sweet, full size spare. Nice little mat. Got a couple of pieces of cardstock to trim it out. It's got the whole kit. Seals up nicely. Nice straight body coming down the side. Good gaps on our doors. Good looking seals. Good looking glass. And doors open up beautifully. Door card's in nice shape. And this is the original colors inside of here. This is a white ivory with a ivory gold two-tone. Seat covers show a little bit of wear, but nothing torn up. Just a couple bits of discoloration. Not bad at all. Love the steering wheel. That's a nice piece in here. Got floor mats. Have a newer looking carpet kit. Nice looking set of instruments. Got gauges for our fuel level, our oil pressure. Speedo runs out to 140. 26,000 shown on the clock. Amp meter and a coolant temp gauge. Heater controls here. Beautiful retro sound stereo there. Keeping it old school, but bringing a little bit of modern sound in. Got our 4-speed on the floor with the reverse lockout. Dig that. Dash pads in wonderful shape. Nice little glove box there. Probably an original sticker still on the inner liner. And we have an original owner's manual here. Seat backs look great. Rear cards look good. We got the factory speakers back here. It's a nice touch. Courtesy lamps working. Fresh air vents, rear seat cover in nice shape, and this is a 2+2. It's a fold-down rear seat car. All the trimmer on the rear glass looks good, as does the pane of glass itself. Headliner, I got no complaints. That looks really good. A couple of visors present, and looks like a new mirror. Gearbox feels mighty nice. And the third now. It drives like a dream. And I'm excited to get into a couple of turns. Having these larger than factory wheels means we have a lot less sidewall on the tires, so they're far more firm. And of course, they're wider. I really think we're going to be able to pound this thing through a couple of corners. the Bluetooth radio playing. All of the speakers in this baby work. We got one under here and two in the back. Dig. You see me making band, I'm showing out. When it's done, say cheese and show my friends. If you want to know anything more about this car behind me, you can call us up, drop us an email. That information is 248-714-2110. That's the number to dial. And the email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Depending where this is catching you, you can always direct message us on any of our social platforms. We're up on those and we'll hit you back. As always, to get a closer look, check the link down in the description. That will take you to the full listing on our website with a full write-up about this Fastback GT, where it's been, what's been done, pictures up underneath it, all the way around it. It's all on there. It's a lot of good stuff. Thank you once more. We'll see you next time.